Managed Security Service Providers, or MSSPs, are constantly looking for adding more value-added services to their customers by providing better security and performance solutions that are easy to deploy and require minimum maintenance on an ongoing basis. Cloudbrink provides an edge-native high-performance zero-trust network access, or ZTNA service that helps in replacing legacy VPN, ZTNA, and SD-WAN solutions. Cloudbrink guarantees both security and speed for hybrid access scenarios that will provide enhanced protection against cyber threats and data breaches and make hybrid workers more productive. With Cloudbrink's high-perf ZTNA service in their portfolio, MSSPs can offer a futuristic edge-native solution to their customers that meets the increasing demands of hybrid workforce, where security and performance are equally critical. Cloudbrink is a 100% software-only service that can be deployed and managed with least amount of investment from MSSPs, and also easy to integrate with existing toolset of MSSPs. With a simple licensing model and as-a-service benefits that offer improved security and performance, Cloudbrink adds significant competitive advantages to the MSSP's portfolio.